Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Raya. So today I've got a vlog for you, and I'm doing a huge house renovation at the moment. I'm currently living in the house too, but it is part of the back of the house. So anyways, I'm going to be showing you from start to end. In this vlog, it really will be like a phase one. I'll be showing you like a house tour, like not a full house tour, like just downstairs, and then we'll go upstairs at a later date, so then you guys can see more of a transformation more than anything, I think. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you like the house up to the hallway upstairs, and then not focusing, and then my builders have already done so much work already. I mean, I can't believe it. So anyways, let's just jump right in. So guys, this is the front door, very dirty, but don't worry about that. So just coming into the hallway here, I don't think I showed you guys how it was before, but anyways, we made the hallway a little bit wider at the door because we had like a porch, which we got rid of, and the flooring, we've got just temporary flooring on the stairs, and the spindles we had made. The flooring is the original flooring. It's made out of like some marabou type of wood species, which is like a tropical wood, like a mahogany type, so that's why it's that colour. But it's the original one. I absolutely love it. We kind of already finished, well, I think it's mostly finished. It just needs furniture, this room. This is the front room. It's our cozy room, and I guess after the rest of the house is done, this will be the kind of quiet, cozy library room, if you like. A room to come, to read, sit by the wood burner, get all cozy, and to have a bit of quiet time. We've got a few antiques on the shelf, a few books, a few old books, and we do want some new sofas in here, but for now we've just got something temporary that we're using, and that's doing the trick. Going into the dining room, it's absolutely trashed. This room, we've stripped everything back. It's just become a room for storage since we've moved in. It's been like this, and it's our old dining table from my husband's old flat, and then we go into the conservatory, which was actually my favourite room when we moved in, and we lived in here for like a couple of months in the freezing cold, but it is one of my favourite rooms, but obviously it had to go. So I'm just speeding this up. I really hope I'm not making anyone dizzy here. But moving into the WC, I don't think I've showed you this properly. I've got a smart toilet here. I will probably show you this in more detail later on. At the moment, the builders are just here trying to move my kitchen forward. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of the stairs going up to the hallway. And then I'll come back down again, because I don't want to show you everything right now, because I will do a proper full house tour once the house is done. But this is up to the hallway, and just showing you guys that. So we need a drop down light there, obviously. So moving on, this is the garage, which we've just got for logs at the moment. There's not too much in the garage. This is our log store, where we store all the logs. But normally this is a lot neater and it's all stacked up, but this is from a tree that was cut down, so it's not all that neat. So this is the back of the house, the luscious green garden, which is soon to be destroyed, but it's like, again, it's one of those things where things will get worse before they get better. It's just one of these things. So that's my grapevine there, and my apple tree. My apple tree is a bit kind of lopsided because we had to amputate it, so that's why it looks a bit funny. This is just, we've got this monstrous rose bush that just grew so fast out of nowhere, so we're going to get rid of that because it looks pretty horrendous. And the shed in the corner is a little old potting shed that has been there since we bought the house, and we've just got like loads of old things around. So like if we get closer I'll show you the stream, but this is like in proper slow motion, so I'm gonna have to speed this up a little bit. Hang on. So I just want to show you guys the view from standing right at the back of the garden of the house. And now here's my makeshift kitchen. So this is gonna have to do until, well, it'll probably do for quite some time. I don't know how many months it might take.
You're a pretty little Barbie playing every time I got you do. You do. Girl, you hold me on so softly and you feed me and you watch me. You do. You do. Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet. You do. You do. Girl, you pressing all my buttons, you be turning to me on, yeah, you do. I like the way it feels to be.
So this is like the log store, so we're going to restack some logs here. Now it's very bright. Excuse the noise, my neighbours are a little bit noisy, they've got some guests around. But this is what our garden actually looks like at the minute. Can you see all my grapes? So guys, like I'm just showing you the mess. Look, to be honest, like look how neatly they've stacked the bricks. Look at this. There's Tom. So a lot of stuff is going into the skip. We'll recycle as much as we can. But let's show you. This is the back of the house, like where they've taken it down. So at the moment we only have the aqua props, like propping, like holding the house up. The beams will go in this week, and hopefully we will have more like of the neater work going on. Then we can tidy up a bit. Hey Tom. Tommy, you're a very dusty cat. Yeah, I know. Hey. Hey. You just your Josh cat. Oh, you're very, oh my god. Oh my god. He's actually really dusty. So guys, this is day, I don't know what. Maybe it's been 2 weeks. And this wall's come down. And I can't believe, I was just shocked because it just opens up all of this as you come in. So that's all the footings now done for the foundation. Let's have a look at the ditch. We found a pipe over there that I'll show you. I'm not really dressed for this, I'm wearing my slippers. But this is so far how everything's looking. Bit of a state, but a work in progress. So all the little broken glass here. Hope the cats don't tread on that. Oh god. Oh, muddy, muddy, muddy. So that's all the trench. I should probably wear proper shoes. Oh my god, please don't tell me these are bones. Oh. No, it's not. I don't know. I hope not. No, it can't be. No. But look at all the progress made so far. So the concrete hopefully should go in after the stills or something like that. So guys, that is it from me for today. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Of course, we've got so much like to do already, but I'm really excited to do this because I've been waiting a very long time. Practically since we moved in, we've decided to do this, and you know, it's just been like planning and money and just having enough to do it. So I'm going to be showing you guys, sharing problems, issues, things we decided to do. So yeah, we've got next up for phase 2, we've got like the beams and concrete and everything. So I'm going to be showing you that. That's the fun part. I'm on site the day they bring it in because they're going to weld everything on site, and that is something I really want to show you guys.
Pressing all my buttons, you be turning to me on, yeah, you do.